Mom.
What?
I got something from UW Marshfield.
Ooh, let's see what's in there.
Yeah.
Check it out. Wait, it's acceptance.
That's what we're hoping for.
Awesome.
We're excited to have you on campus. Oh my gosh.
Good job.
I can't believe it.
Let's look at all this stuff. You get activities. You could get involved in the band, orchestra, choir, visual arts.
Oh my god.
You could play basketball.
I was so good at it in high school.
Awesome.
Why not?
I wonder if student senate's like student council. Like
Probably
you're
pretty
involved in high
close,
school
yeah.
right now.
I think so.
Ambassador. I bet you that's like a leadership type role.
Oh my
Lots
gosh.
of things to get involved with here. Okay,
Wow.
let's see what else is here.
Yeah. So
What's this? VIP session will allow you to be one of the first new freshmen to enroll in your fall 2015 semester courses. Huh? You'd be one of the first with a
Oh my
schedule.
I'll beat everyone.
Oh my goodness. We could actually plan out. We can go online, look at class schedules. We can have it all planned out. Then you can know how you could work for the semester.
Oh my.
Wow. You know, this impresses me because I think about, they talked on the tour about the personal attention.
Sure.
You're getting it already.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Definitely.
What else is in here? Oh,
Checklist.
nice. That's great.
Man,
how
they got
they
it
break it
planned
down.
out, yeah.
We can, this is going on our fridge.
Yep.
Going on the
Ready to
fridge.
go.
Something else you're going to have to do ahead of time. Have to set up your email and your Prism account.
Okay.
So I bet you we have to do that before you can register for your classes.
Sure.
Oh, and they have new housing.
Oh yeah.
Are you ready
about that.
Are you ready to leave home?
I
Sorry
think
to tell
so.
you, but Mom might be ready to get ready to.
You're so generous to me, Mother.
I know. Cool. This is awesome. You gotta go tell your friends at school.
Oh yeah. First thing Monday morning.
Look at this. With this pass, this is gonna be something. I'd actually talk to that recruiter that comes to your high school
Oh, yeah,
on that
okay.
monthly visit. Don't they call it
Yeah.
something, don't they? There's a you for you or something
Yeah,
like that.
yeah,
I
that
thought you
sounds
showed
right.
me an email like that.
Yep, we've been getting announcements on
Okay.
that, so.
Yeah,
Okay.
you'll have to go check in. Let that recruiter know who
Yeah.
you are, that you received this.
Okay. VIP right here.